Hey guys, how's it going? So welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be doing an unboxing of this. It's a MSI B550 Gaming Plus motherboard. And I will go over the contents and then pretty much the reason and why I'm upgrading my motherboard. So let's get right into that. Alright, so let's get this box open. Here. Gonna hit my mic. Oh well, there we go. And here's the motherboard. We have, assuming this is the user guide. This thing is thick. Will not read that. Some online promotion garbage for headphones and stuff like that. The MSI Dragon sticker. A CD. I don't see how that's going to be any use to me since I don't have a CD drive in my computer anymore. And here's some more instructions on pretty much how to put everything onto your motherboard, which I really don't need and probably will not use. And then some more stuff. Join the reward club. Thanks for buying our product. And then 2 SATA cables. And little post screws. Anything else in here? Nope. Cardboard. And that's pretty much it in there. So let's look at the motherboard. Let me get this all out of the way. Alright. I think it's even sealed in there. You gotta be careful too. I don't want to bend any of the little posts. Bad idea to do it like this. I just can't get this. Come on. There we go. Alright. There it is. Wow. I think there's only a little bit of RGB on it underneath here. I believe that's where the chipset is. Got its built-in little interface here. Looks nice. It's bigger than the one I had before, so that's going to help me out a lot. Alright, so it's been a couple days since I filmed that last part. I got tied up doing a few other side projects. But now I'm able to focus on this. So I'm going to start pretty much right where I left off and explaining why I needed a new motherboard. And I will try to keep it brief. So the first reason is it has a 4.0 PCI Express ready M.2 slot. So I'm able to utilize the full speed of my Samsung 980 Pro, which it does. And I'll show a benchmark later in the video about that. Second, it has an additional M.2 slot for maybe a game drive or more storage in the future. I just really haven't decided what I'm going to do with that yet. And third, it has more fan posts. So I was actually able to clean up a lot of the bad wire management that's in my computer. I think I was able to get rid of, 2 splitters and I think a couple other things, but I forget already. So I guess other than that, I actually made this little time-lapse video of me building my motherboard, so I will just kick it right to that. Okay, so the first thing I wanted to show is pretty much the full speed of my M.2 now, so I'm going to cut to the program I'm using to benchmark it. So the program I am using is the Samsung Musician, and it pretty much gives you drive health, your temperature, and all kind of other fun stuff like that. So they actually have a benchmark in here. I ran this on Saturday, and here are the results. I have a read of 6,800 and a write of 5,000, and that is up from the Samsung 970, which was a 3,500 read and a 3,400 write. So more read, not as much write, but I'm okay with that. It's still going to be a lot faster than it was. So, well, actually it is faster than it is from what I've already experienced. So that's going to be it for today's video, and I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, please drop a like. And if you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. And other than that, that's pretty much going to be it. Oh, Otto wants to say bye. Alright, so until the next video, thanks and bye.